Hello. Decluttering is not an all the time thing. Get that out of your head. When you think you have to declutter everything all the time, it's defeating. So don't think that. Know that you have 15 minutes of decluttering to do 4 times a week, or if you're payroll and you work outside the home or you work in the home but you're working 6 to 8 hours a day, then you can do it on Saturday or on your off day. But decluttering is just 15 minutes. And then the other part of our decluttering would be clutter stops. And that's where you look around 3 times a day and you pick up things, or have your children pick up things, or your spouse or whomever's there, things that have been left out, that have a home, that have been left out since the last declutter, which was just a couple of hours ago. If it wasn't, pretend it was and get going from there. That's it. That's it. Other than your routines and your basic weekly plan, decluttering is not very much of your day. So don't lie to yourself or allow yourself to be lied to that it is a huge job. It's not. It's just 15 minutes. Make it a great day.